Point out the correct combination with regards to kind keyword for graph plotting. A. Hist for histogram. B. Box for box plot. C. Area for area plots. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Point out the wrong combination with regards to kind keyword for graph plotting. A. Scatter for scatter plots. B. Clay for hexagonal bin plots. C. Pie for pie plots. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is clay for hexagonal bin plots. Which of the following plots are often used for checking randomness in time series? A. Autocoasation. B. Autorun. C. Autocorrelation. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is autocorrelation. Which of the following value is provided by kind keyword for barplot? A. Bar. B. Clay. C. Hexbin. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is bar. The plot method on series and data frame is just a simple wrapper around A. gplt.plot. B. plt.plot. C. plt.plotgraph. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is plt.plot. Plots are used to visually assess the uncertainty of a statistic. A. Lag. B. Radviz. C. Bootstrap. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is Bootstrap. Which of the following plots are used to check if a data set or time series is random? A. Lag. B. Random. C. Lid. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is lag. You can create a scatter plot matrix using the method in pandas.tools.plotting. A. Scar matrix. B. Scatter matrix. C. DataFrame.plot. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is scatter matrix. Andrews curves allow one to plot multivariate data. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Plots may also be adorned with error bars or tables. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.